are you doing?
Hi Neha,
Wow, we have Shweta with us. So thank you for joining in, Shweta. I
thank
hope
you.
all our people are on time. We've just taken a couple of minutes to join in. So I hope all of you are all set. So
Yeah, I
first
think
of
we
all,
have.
yeah, we have people joining in. Wow.
Yes,
So you can keep responding to all of them. Thank you all for joining us live. I am Neha Malhotra. I am the founder of International Image Consulting Institute. I am the first AICI certified image consultant of India. I'm sure most of you must be knowing who are joining us live. And today we are going live from Global Core Connect. So let me just tell you what Global Core Connect is. Global Core Connect is an initiative which we started last year during the pandemic, and we have a community build up where we have image consultants and professionals from different specializations as a part of our team. So wherein we do virtual get-togethers. We started with virtual get-togethers last year, and this year we are continuing our legacy and we're going further by going on live, Instagram live. Now the purpose of today's live is we are coming up with an initiative which is called I Stand for Growing Image Consulting in India. And to promote that initiative, we are going to be sharing the success stories of all these beautiful people who have been associated with us since last year. Today is the first live session, and I'm so glad to have with me Miss Shweta Garg, who is the founder of Dream Image India, and at present she is the president of AICI India. Shweta, I'm not going to be taking your time, wherein because we want to hear your story from you. So welcome, Shweta.
Hello Neha, hello everyone. First of all, Neha, thank you for inviting me over, and I feel delighted to be here to share my story with you and with everyone. So I would like to tell something about myself.
Sure.
So I am Shweta Garg. I'm an image transformation coach, certified NLP practitioner. I'm a master facilitator, entrepreneur, and as Neha mentioned, founder of Dream Image. So I'm professionally trained and certified image consultant and behavioral trainer from IICI by Code Impressions. And currently I am president of AICI India chapter. AICI is the biggest international association of image consultants worldwide. So this is about me and pleasure to be here, Neha.
Great, Shweta. So lovely to have you here. Well, for all of you who've just joined and who don't know what AICI is, let me just give you a little brief. So, AICI stands for Association of Image Consultants International. It's a worldwide organization which recognizes image consultants in terms of their education, standardized practice, uh, growth in the image industry, etc. So, we are all sprouted from AICI, and we have spread our wings in India. I'm so proud to be the founder of AICI India. We launched AICI in India in the year 2016, and currently we've entered our sixth successful year of operation. So, Shweta, it's a great honor to have you here today. We would like to know more about you because today we are going to be sharing your journey. How exactly, you encountered image consulting? What was it that brought you into image consulting? How did you think about it? And what's your previous journey before getting into image consulting? So we would like to know that from you.
Okay, my journey. So Neha, I know it's a long story, so I'll cut it short. That Previous to image consultant, I was working in a corporate sector, and it was going quite well, believe me. But obviously, I had to relocate to Mumbai from Delhi when I got married, and then I again joined the same company in Mumbai because they had their franchise office in Mumbai as well. Things were going pretty well, but how corporate sector is, they get very demanding in terms of when it comes to time. So it was getting
Yes.
very difficult for me to sail on two boats with small children. That's
Okay.
when I decided that I should take a break and give time to my family. And I think good 7 years I've given them time. And the experience of about a decade in corporate sector, yes, it was full of learning. But image consulting happened in 2016. I started feeling that voice that something is going wrong. And I think every one of us sometimes might have felt that at lowest point in our life, right? And for some people, sometimes it is too extreme. And I think I was the one for whom it was too extreme. So I was feeling that, everything is going wrong. I am not going in the right direction. This is not who I am. I
Maybe
need to
because
find.
you were meant to continue working and keep going, and that was your goal.
Yeah, probably because kids were growing up and I had time now and sitting at home was, something, it was breaking me. And when I realized, oh my God, 7 years of long time, I've taken a break and I felt that I'm not worthy enough to go into the market now. So, and if I put it in different words, I was missing a part of myself, and it was affecting my personal life too much. But
Mm-hmm.
I think that gave me a power, I would say, a courage to again take charge of my life. And I started questioning myself because I was seeing my children and husband and my family was getting affected. So
Right.
I thought, let me just start exploring. I started asking myself questions. And believe me, Neha, I always feel that there are no right questions. You should just ask yourself questions again and again, and you will get the answer. Eventually, you will reach a point, okay, fine, this is what I want to do. Right?
Right.
So
Right.
I think that led me to image consulting.
Yeah.
That's when I learned the skills to enhance one's inner and outer image. That gave me my confidence back. And the support of my family, wherein I used to go from Mumbai to Delhi to do my course to become
I
a
remember.
certified
I remember
consultant.
those days. Yeah. So I
Yeah,
must
even
tell all
my
of you present here, Shweta has been so convicted. She was so convicted to do this program that she traveled from Mumbai to Delhi to make sure that she gets trained directly by me because she really wanted the first hand training, which really makes a lot of difference, I'm sure, Shweta. So
yes.
she wanted to get trained from the master trainer and she would travel all the way, and yes, so that's great. So what led you after you completed your program in image consulting? What was your journey after that?
So after that, immediately after completing my course, I wanted to build up my profile so that I can get started. First thing what I did was I gave birth to a new baby that was Dream Image.
Been facing some technical error issues, I guess, because it's raining heavily outside. Maybe the internet connection is not that great. So sorry about that. So let's continue,
I
Shweta, once
think,
again.
Neha,
Yeah.
I think we should wait people to join in.
Yes, yes, yes.
We lost you in between, I think, because it's raining in Mumbai as well.
Yes. So I don't know what happened, but so lovely seeing you after a long time, Shweta. It looks like, we're just sitting face to face. And that's
I
the beauty
know.
about you can say the technology. And we are sitting so far. You're in a different city, and you're in Mumbai, and I'm in Delhi. And it just looks like, we're just right here. So yeah, people are joining in slowly, and that's great. So hi, everyone. Hi, Monica. She's here. She's joined in from Espoir, and
Yeah.
we have more people joining in. So that's great. I think we can continue. We will be sharing the video on our pages. So yes.
Yeah. So where
So
were
yeah, we
we?
were talking. We were talking about how Dream Image happened and what was the intent behind starting Dream Image India.
So the intent behind Dream Image was the desire of guiding individuals to project their dream image, because I have gone through that same process of rediscovering myself,
Right.
where I was lost. So I wanted to help people to find themselves, find that amazing you that they have inside. So I think that's the intent of Dream Image, redefine
Well, I think
yourself.
Shweta, image consulting has been an industry where a lot of people are coming from various other industries. The best
Right.
part about image consulting is it's a very inclusive industry. And I'm sure there are a lot of image consultants, when they listen to your story, they can resonate with your story. Because this is what some is happening with a lot of people who are in the mid-career stage. They feel a void and they wait for their calling. So I think the similar thing happened with you also, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
Yes, it did.
So going further, would you like to put more light on your achievements in your journey as an image consultant?
See, as an image consultant, first I started training in corporate, networking forums, educational institutions. I have done off-site trainings and many more. The beauty of it is that you touch so many lives and you be part of their transformational journey. You see them
Right,
transforming what they are and what they become,
right,
right?
right.
And in between, I thought that let me add something, some different angle to my internal image training. That's when
Mm-hmm.
I added a new feather to my cap and I became a certified international NLP practitioner. Along with that, I was a hypnosis level 1 certified practitioner. So I
Great.
think
Wow.
that is there. Yeah. And so because I wanted my trainings to be very unique. It should not be the
Mm-hmm.
basic communication skills you're giving. So I wanted, how can I do that? So I thought, let me explore this part.
Right.
After that, I think everything was going well, and 2020 happened. COVID happened. So yes, it was a big setback for everyone. It was for me as
Mm-hmm.
well. But Neha, setbacks also gives you an opportunity to get back to your actual stage where you started.
So
So
true.
that, again, you get back to that hard work, you have to get back to your self motivation so that gets started again.
Right, right. I
And
think that
I
happened
was
with all of
back,
us.
yeah. So I was back to that exploring myself. How can I reach my
Okay.
audience? Because
Mm-hmm.
offline was gone. So my relearning journey started again in 2020. I
Okay.
learned about digital entrepreneurship. So
Mm-hmm.
that gave me comfort, confidence, and tools to get online, which is very important.
I think which is the need of the hour today. We all need to be well versed with the digital platforms if you really want to grow your business. Following the primitive style of consulting or training, I think, is not going to help. So I feel the same. I think I can just resonate with what you're
Yeah, but,
saying.
but when it happened, no, you don't have that confidence of going to the camera and just record something and speaking on screen. You're just talking to a laptop. So
Right.
that's, I thought, let me just learn about it. And my long delayed YouTube channel I launched. I did podcasts. I did virtual training. And I wanted to touch the entrepreneur side also. So that's when
Right.
I created a Facebook group, which is with the name of
Mhm.
Exceed Entrepreneurs, you know,
Right. Right.
where my mission is to touch entrepreneurs and leaders so that they can achieve growth by gaining new perspective. Because somewhere entrepreneurs are still stuck to that old school thought. Okay, fine, and this is done in this way only. They have to come out
Right.
of that cell. So
Right.
giving them
Right.
new perspective so that they can make a difference in self. And image
Right.
consulting is all about that, Neha. You cannot make a difference in others until unless you start with you. So you have to first focus on yourself, and then it goes out,
I think
right?
it's a journey which goes hand in hand. It's both learning and training which goes together. Although I strongly believe, and I've been talking about this a lot, that teaching and learning are two different things, is what I
Yes,
know. However, I think as a trainer, you learn alongside, while training, you learn so many new things. And I think that, yeah, that's exactly the case with image consultants because what I know is image consulting is a pretty new industry in India. It started around 2010 when,
yes,
new image consultants got trained and people started joining the industry. I remember back in 2013 and 14, corporates would not even know what image consulting is. And they would just ask, what is it? I've not heard about this term. So it would take me a lot of time. However, now if we talk, people are frantically looking for image consultants to be associated with their projects, be it a styling project or be it a corporate project. I think it's grown. It's massively grown in the
Yeah,
past 10 years.
yeah, it's
Shweta,
grown.
what is your take on image consulting? How do you see rains outside? Sorry, people, please excuse us for this technical issue, which is beyond our control, and we are trying our level best. I think, Shweta, we can just quickly talk about image consulting. So, how do you see image consulting growing?
So image consulting, Neha, if we talk about, yes, like you said, it has grown, the popularity in India has grown. And in abroad, the image consultant scope is immense, right? Because it's there from long. But in India, it has grown, but still there's a problem with people. They think that we don't need it, it is optional. You know?
Tell
So
me
there is
about
a
it, sir.
need to create the awareness that it is for everyone and you need it. You know, it's very important. It is not optional.
That's the purpose. That was the sole purpose of launching AICI in India because back then in 2015 and 16, nobody knew what image consulting is, and it would become so difficult to explain the level of certifications I had done, and it was so difficult to tell people it is important, you need it, everyone needs it. So,
Right.
what are your plans now that you've joined? So, all of you present here, I would just like to tell all of you, Shweta has taken over as the president for AICI India chapter, and her term is from 2021 to 2023. So, Shweta, first of all, congratulations on your great, great achievement. It gives me so much pride, and I just feel so good about it that, having trained you and I see you reaching great heights. So, Shweta, what is your plan as an image consultant and as a president of AICI India? What do you plan for the future?
So Neha, I have been associated with AICI from last 3 years,
Hmm.
since 2018. So it's my fourth year, right? And I'm honored, as you said, I'm honored to start my new role as a president in the chapter. But it's a leadership role.
It
And
is.
stepping into a leadership role comes with a lot of responsibilities, right?
It does.
And we always think of a leader as an experienced executive, that he or she, they know everything, they can handle things really well. But believe
Right.
me, the reality is that the success of an association or be it organization, it relies on the members, it relies on the team who are there
Right.
in the organization, who are there in the association. Regardless of what title they have, regardless of their tenure in the association, it is joint effort. It's not
I
that
hope you've got a great team this year.
yes, yes, I did. I did. You're a part of my team, so yes, I did. So my plan is to build a community of image
Hmm.
consultants, trainers, coaches, so that we all can add value in one platform and where
Right.
people can come, connect with people, they can get connected, they can learn. So basically focus is learning, sharing, educating, adding value to them, and
That's where the whole
connecting.
initiative of starting Global Core Connect and virtual get-togethers was. So irrespective people are AICI or non-AICI, the idea was to come on a common platform, share, because we all are going through a similar feeling. We're all fighting the pandemic. So the whole idea to launch this platform was it resonates with your vision. Another thing I also strongly believe that you can do a lot more as a team. When you're together, you can achieve far greater things that you can do alone. So collaborations, I definitely feel collaborations should be encouraged over competitions. What is your take on that, Shweta?
Yes, yes, collaboration should be encouraged because you cannot grow alone. You need team, you need ideas, every thought, every individual is thinking differently, so maybe you're not thinking on those lines, but the other one is. So when they
Hmm.
combine, then wonders happen. So I think
Right.
collaboration should be benefited. Yes, there's a lot of benefit when you collaborate with people, a lot of ideas
Hmm.
come up and you come up with new things. Also
And what do you
engagement.
think about, sorry, Shweta, what do you think about our initiative of I Stand for Growing Image Consulting in India? What is your thought about this initiative?
I also stand for growing image consulting in India, Neha. You know, because see, there is a myth. about image consulting, that
Right.
lack of job opportunities are there when you talk about image consulting. And it is not true. One can work as etiquette expert, one can work as a stylist, one can work as celebrity stylist, a transformational coach, a soft skill trainer, behavioral trainer. There's so many things that you can do,
Right.
but
In
you have
fact,
to
I feel
explore.
from last year, what I have felt in the pandemic is that everybody is running after upgrading their skills. So the education part, the training part, the scope has really grown much, much wider than it was previous to 2020.
Yes,
So I
exactly.
definitely feel there is a lot of potential in this industry.
And India needs trainers, Neha. They need. Imagine if we have more certified image trainers, we can create job opportunities, right?
We can, yes.
We can.
But sadly, the fact of the matter is, Shweta, I do a lot of corporate trainings, and every corporate needs an image consultant, and they have agreed this thing.
Yeah.
However, sadly, if you go on LinkedIn or if you go on any other job platform and if you type image consulting as a keyword, there are hardly any jobs. Yes, you will find jobs for image consultants as a fashion stylist. However, as a core image consulting areas, there are no jobs. So I definitely feel all of us should take it up and make an effort on an individual level to promote the industry more and more so that it is accepted as one of the core industries of the corporate world is what I have a vision. So
But Neha,
what do
that
you
will only come with the understanding that image consultant is only not a stylist who works on
right,
dressing, who works on makeup, who works on appearance. Image consultant
right,
works on your holistic image. It's
right.
like your
Yeah,
overall
it's
image.
inside out or
Inside out,
outside in,
right?
whatever approach.
So
Right,
appearance,
right.
your behavior, your communication, your mindset, your confidence,
Right.
everything.
Very well said. Very well said, Shweta. Really, really, I really like what you say and I really resonate with it. So awareness about what actually we do, I think
Yeah.
that's lacking. What is an image consultant? Till now, people are associate like they feel that if it's an image consultant, maybe she's going to teach me how to dress, how to wear makeup, or how to look good. We need to take it further, because now we started from ABC, we've added a D. I think we're going further to E, and it'll be a whole vocabulary in image consulting. So I definitely feel, yeah, as you said, the mindset needs to change.
I'll tell you, Neha, the best part of 2021 was when I was mentored and trained by Blair Singer, master of master.
Wow. A hard time to go in continuity. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, I think it's an indication that we should just quickly wind up. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, you were talking about the training from Blair Singer
Yeah. So what I
Academy.
was saying is when we were around 600 people, and it was like for 3 days and 4 days and 3 day training. So then 200. So there are a lot many people. But there were group sessions also, breakout rooms. When I used to tell I'm an image consultant, so people are, oh, you work on styling, you work on this. So that is awareness is not there. So
Not there.
only I think Blair Singer was the one who knew what is image consulting, and
Wow.
you
He
know,
ought to. He ought to. He's the master himself.
yes.
He ought to.
So that means there's lack of awareness.
Awareness.
That is what we have to tap into.
More clearly define what we do is what I think you
Yes,
meant, right?
yes.
So what was the best takeaway from Blair Singer training when you had attended that program? What was that program all about, Shweta?
I think that was like he's a magician. So the best takeaway is how to engage your audience when you're training. How to involve everyone and how to be humble. So being a trainer, we cannot get agitated if someone doesn't know anything. There were people who didn't know anything and they were not able to present themselves, and so patiently he was doing things. So
That's why I said learning and teaching are two different things. Usually what happens is, we train from a trainer perspective because we know everything, we expect the other person to understand everything what I'm teaching.
right.
But learning is different. The learning curve can be different for different people.
So while training, I think learning goes alongside. We learn from our participants. Like this initiative, what you have done, Neha, is amazing. Sharing your
Thank you.
story, because I realized when I did layered finger training, the training only happened by sharing your story. All the
Sure.
participants were just sharing their story and we learned
Wow.
from their stories. So I'm
Wow.
sure me or anyone tomorrow, whoever comes, their story, there is always a key takeaway from their story. And if we follow that, how they have
Having
overcome.
said that, Shweta, what is the key takeaway for our participants who have joined in today from your story? We would like to know that one thing that that you would want everyone to know from your story.
See, I would like to say that we all are afraid to take that first step because of that little voice in our head banging again and again. What if I fail? You know.
Fear
So
of the
you,
unknown is what
yeah.
it
So you
is.
have to overcome your fear of failure and pursue your dreams. Get started. Build your personal brand. Build yourself. Be authentic because that is what is the need of the hour, because authentic image is an
Totally agree.
indispensable element to create your brand. That's the tagline I always follow, and I think
Beautiful. Beautiful. I think
yeah,
it's a wonderful journey, Shweta, you had, starting from a homemaker, as in being a corporate entrepreneur with a sabbatical and a break of almost 6 to 7 years, almost
yeah.
living a life of a homemaker, then getting your calling that this is what I need to do. I need to do something, and finding out that that something is maybe image consulting. Trying your hands on everywhere, getting to the best what you thought at that point of time, taking that step with the fear of unknown, going further and just believing in yourself is what you have done. And your story has been so motivating. I'm sure there's so many people who can resonate and who really want, who can feel the same thing that you felt few years back. And what a great achievement. You're taken over as the president of AICA India. I think it's a wonderful achievement you've had, Shweta. And let me tell all of you, she's doing a great job. So
Thank you.
all the best to you, Shweta, with whatever you take up in the near future. And if you add anything in your portfolio in terms of your success, feel free to reach out to us. We'll do another live with you.
Thank you.
We
It
will
was
plan another one.
amazing being here, Neha. Thank you for calling me
Thank you
over.
so much.
And
And thank you for joining in. We are so glad. And thank you all who bared with us in these multiple section live. But thank you for joining in and making this session, this whole session of sharing Shweta's journey a great success. We will be coming back to you with another great story on Saturday around the same time. We will share the details on the group and on our Instagram handle. So stay tuned. Till then, all of you, please take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.
thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.